Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your Chapter 2 lecture video. So my intent is to keep this brief. You have much content here, video content in this unit to review for the annotated bibliography and for researching your topic that you've wrote a proposal about for Chapter 1. So as I scroll through here, you certainly can see the different separate instructional videos. And not only that, you have a couple of significant discussion board posts this particular week. What I'd like to focus on a little bit is a few things just to emphasize sources, and that's the purpose of doing the research here. Let me get back to my PowerPoint here and put this in slideshow. So you want to find some varied sources about your particular topic. The annotated bibliography assignment forces you to come up with many different sources to really build a broad perspective of your research topic there across those four categories. You're looking for stable sources and you're looking for primary and secondary sources. Okay, the idea here is not to lean on one or two sources to inform your thinking. You want to find quality sources. Looking at when it was published and why is that important is really a critical component here. Why journal articles are better than just regular magazine articles. Why are often cited authors critical to your research? Is there somebody specific working in a field that you may have discovered a couple of different articles or sources from? And all of this is designed to really stimulate that critical thinking, to pause and consider before rushing to any kind of conclusions about your topic. Now, the book does offer some sort of a hierarchy of source materials. You want to get into more specialized sources, as you see down at the bottom of the inverted pyramid here, between government documents, scholarly books, academic journals. Certainly some specialized magazines can help out from time to time. But you want to make sure that you're always evaluating, especially online sources. Keep your purpose in mind. Favor governmental and educational sources over commercial ones. Favor authored documents over those without authors. Favor web pages that have been recently updated over those that are more than a year old. And favor web sources that document their claims over those that do not. Are they using evidence? If we look at figure 2.6 on page 54 in the textbook, let me get out of this here. Then you can see the flow chart here about information that Ballinger offers us in the textbook is really important, and try to working with authored or unauthored sources and how you should treat those particular sources is really an important component, right? Because you ultimately want to develop focused knowledge, right? You want to go from that working knowledge into a focused knowledge. How does it change my question or my inquiry? Okay, I look back and refine your questions, to look at all the literature and look for patterns in your data. It's very important to see the types of information. If it keeps appearing in source after source, look at those common elements. How can you synthesize the information between several sources to come up with a valid evidence for your research project? All right, so this is just a quick lecture video on the Chapter 2 content here. So if you have any questions or issues, send me an email. Good luck.